What's up here, mini truckers all around the world? Ben here, US Mini Trucks in Houston, Texas. I got this cool thing I just bought on Amazon. You could see it, you just saw where I bought it, spent my own money. So sometimes I like to get that Amazon stuff a little bit used. I've had pretty good success, and if it's not that good, mostly it's like missing pieces. So I was expecting this to like be missing bolts, or it was missing the instructions, I think, but I figured it out. It's not that difficult. So hopefully you get something out of this, and let me grab it. Or actually, let me just turn you around. Okay, it came in this box, this big yellow box, or the white box. And then basically it's this black piece. And then these things were disassembled off of it. So I'm going to attach it here to the back rack, and we'll see what happens. Oh, my crazy dog is barking. So I had fit it before, and basically it just has these pieces are adjustable so they can move, and then these pieces threaded to tighten it. Let me see if that you can even pull that out. Maybe start on that side. Feels pretty good there. You want to make sure it's pretty tight, because there's really nothing holding it other than the friction. And it's just going onto this steel piece, so that's on there pretty good. I could probably tighten it a little more, maybe it looks like. You know, you're using your fingers, so you probably can't even get it too tight. I can see here though, it's hitting on this piece, so it won't let me really tighten. I probably should have started with it a little more even. Okay. Yeah, this is not gonna work, because it's not even touching here. Alright, let me loosen it up quite a bit, and then I'm going to go to the other side. Let's see if I can tighten that other side more. Here we go. That feels a little better. Alright, so make sure it's nice and straight, because it wasn't even touching here. Now it's definitely grabbing. Hey, mini truckers, I wanted to show you a little better how to adjust it. Basically, you just have these two knobs, and it uses the tension as you're pulling it together. Okay, and I've got my Winchester Model 70. It's an extreme weather stainless steel fluted barrel, 308 with just kind of this cheaper optic. But basically they would go in there. One goes in, you can Velcro it down. Okay, I was a little concerned. You could see like if it's bouncing here, but it is pretty heavy, so maybe just the weight of it going down. You know, or just wrap it in a terry cloth towel, something like that would be good. And then here we've got the 5.56-223 stag arms, and we would basically set that in and maybe pull that back, and then it would Velcro in there and Velcro in there. And we've got them both in there. We can set up our rear bed work light if we need it to, you know, get extra light and do what we need to do. So that would be pretty cool. But yeah, pretty practical, pretty efficient, not all that expensive. I mean, I guess you could build something off of here if you're handy. But this one's all ready to go. You can get it Amazon 2-day shipping. So I was kind of happy with that. All right, hopefully you get something out of this and get those deer, get those hogs. Stay safe. Have a good one.